This is cardio number 3 in our program and series, Strengthen, Lengthen, and Lean. My name is Sarah Caraconi, Live Free Warrior. Let's begin. Remember too, you can modify with any of the previous variations that we've done in 1 and 2 of our cardio sequences. Always options. So as you find the front of your mat, you can take a moment to ground, set your intention, feel your feet to the earth or the mat or whatever you got beneath you. And just let your arms sway by your side. And this is a flow cardio combination. So we are gonna move. It'll be a little fast paced, but you can always slow down and go at the pace of your own breath. So take a deep breath in to start. And an exhale. Hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to extend. And exhale, plant the hands. Step, step back, plank. Hold in plank, 3, 2, and 1, chin to chest, ripple your way back, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, lift the heels, ripple your way forward plank, and exhale, low push up. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, look forward, step your feet, front of the mat, lengthen, and fold, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Do it again, inhale, arms up. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale to lengthen. Plant the hands, step back, plank. Press into the palms, round the spine, chin to chest. Ripple your way back, downward facing dog. It's like a wave moving through the spine. Inhale, shift forward, rippling to a plank. Low push up, exhale. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog, exhale. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, look forward, step the feet, front of the mat. Lengthen to fold, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms rise. Doing 5 of these this time. Exhale, fold. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale, hands plant, step back, plank. Chin to chest. And ripple your way back, all the way downward facing dog. Lift the heels, ripple your way forward plank. Low push up, exhale. Inhale, upward dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, look forward, step feet, front of the mat. And fold, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, hands through heart center. Una vez más. One more. Inhale, arms rise. And exhale, forward folding. Inhale to extend. And exhale, step back, plank. So you're always moving with control. Chin to chest. Ripple your way all the way back. And lower the heels down. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, ripple your way forward. Then you get to plank. And then lower, low push up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, look forward, step the feet, front of the mat. And fold, exhale. Inhale, arms rise. And exhale, hands to heart center. Interlace the hands in a side bend. Reach the arms up overhead. Pull the navel in, inhale. And exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale. And exhaling. Come back to center, inhale. And exhale to the left. So you can plow your way through your practice, but if it's not done with control, inhale back to center, and hands to heart. Doing your movements with control, not perfection, control is the important part. So that's why we're not just jumping. Control. Smooth. Fluidity. Come into chair pose. What do you want for an actress yogi? Come on, you're gonna get accents, you're gonna get lots of histrionica. Arms up overhead, reach the arms up overhead. Chest on up. You're gonna take your left hand forward, right hand back behind you. You're still in your chair, don't lose a chair. Inhale, arms up, and then twist the other way. Right hand forward, left arm back. Reaching up, to the right, up, to the left. Inhale to center, exhale. Inhale, use your breath, exhale. Inhale, center, that's how you build some heat too. Inhale, center, last one. Twist, inhale, center, chair, And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen. High lunge, step the left foot back. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, downward facing dog split. Right leg straight up and back. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, extend. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, lengthen. One more. Knee to nose, exhale. Three-legged dog. Right leg lifts up and back, right hip over the left. Breathe, 2. And then 1, lower downward facing dog. Inhale, shift to plank. Low push-up, exhale. Upward facing dog to downward facing dog, exhale. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Right leg high, inhale. And exhale, step the right foot between the hands. Come on up, high lunge. Okay, so ground into your high lunge first. And like we did in our chair pose, you're gonna twist left hand forward, right arm back. Inhale, arms back up. Twist again, exhale. Inhale, open, back up to your lunge. Exhale, twist. 2 more, inhale, arms up. Last one, exhale. Inhale, arms up. 1 more. Exhale, that's the last one. Arms back up on the inhale. Hands to heart center. Shift forward, step your left foot up to meet the right, chair. Still in chair pose, drop the hips, lift the chest, arms up. 3, 2, 1, come to standing, hands to heart center. Do that on the other side. Chair pose, inhale, arms up. Exhale, twisting. So now your right hand comes forward, left arm back behind you. Inhale, back to center. Twist to the right. Inhale, center. Twisting left. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Twisting left. Center. To the right, 1 more each side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. And exhale, twisting right. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen. Step your right foot back, high lunge. Inhale, arms up overhead. This turns into downward facing dog split. Hands plant, left leg high. Knee to nose 3 times, exhale. Inhale, extend the leg back. Knee to nose, exhale, 2. Inhale, extend. Exhale, 3. Inhale, lengthen the leg. Lower downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. From your downward dog, take a breath. Exhale. Left leg high, inhale. 3-legged dog, stacking left hip over the right. Now stepping left foot between the hands, rise into your high lunge. Arms reach up overhead. Ground down through your feet. Gauge the core. And we twist, right hand forward, left arm back. Inhale, back through center. 4 more, exhale. Inhale, back up. Exhale, 3. Inhale for 2. 1 more, inhale. And 1. Inhale, arms on up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Flip the right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, chair. And arms up overhead. Inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, rise all the way to standing. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Let's add on to that one. Come into chair. Inhale. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step your left foot back, high lunge. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands to the mat, 3-legged dog. Inhale. Right knee, right elbow. Inhale, extend the leg. Knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg. Knee to left elbow. So keep that in mind. Inhale, extend the leg. Knee to left elbow, or extend the leg, fall in triangle. Left arm lifting up. 2. And then come on back. Downward facing dog split. Again, grace we move with. And lower downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. low push-up, exhale. Upward facing dog to downward facing dog, exhale. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Stay with the right leg, lifting, inhale. Step forward, warrior two. Open on up, warrior two. Ground down through your feet. Lift your right heel. Reverse, inhale. And exhale, right knee, right elbow, left arm forward. Two more, inhale, reverse. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, reach it forward. You're gonna reverse your warrior and then come into a high lunge. So we pivot forward, come to the ball of your left foot. Inhale, high lunge, drop your right heel. Thought I forgot about that heel. Hands to heart center, shift the weight into your right foot. The left knee draws in towards your chest. Or extend the leg. Step it back, high lunge, inhale. Exhale, knee into your chest, extend the leg. Step it on back. We're doing one more like this. Exhale, draw it in, extend, step it back. Step it on back, high lunge, to then twist, hands to heart center. Lift on up, hook your left elbow over the right knee. Press the palms, twist to the right. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, rise back up. And exhale, hands down towards the mat, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Inhale, shift to plank. Low push-up, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Full breath in, full breath out. Step your feet together, left leg high, inhale. Oh, what did we do before? Step your feet together, left leg high, three-legged dog, left knee, left hip over your right. Inhale, open. To your main left knee, left elbow. Inhale, extend. Left knee to nose. Inhale, extend back out. Left knee, right elbow. So again, remember that one. Inhale, extend the leg. Left knee, right elbow, or fall in triangle. You drop your right heel and extend the leg to the right. Right arm reaches up. Inhale. Hold on the exhale. One more, inhale. Lift and open. Exhale, right hand down. Just bring the left back into your chest. Downward facing dog split. And this time go right into it. Warrior two. We switched it up last time, but here we're just going right into warrior two. Open the arms up. Elevate the left heel. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Exhale, come on forward. Left elbow, left knee, right arm forward. Inhale, reverse. And exhale, bring it on forward. Inhale, reversing. One more, exhale, bring it on forward. Inhale, reverse. So as we come into a high lunge, pivot to the ball of your right foot. Lower the left heel down, arms up overhead. As hands come to heart center, you're gonna step forward, right knee in towards your chest. Maybe extend the leg. Drop back in, step it back, high lunge. Two more like that, exhale, draw it in. Leg extends, draw it back in. Right leg back, inhale, one more, exhale. Right leg forward, step it back, high lunge. Prepare in your twist. So when I say prepare, the spine extends. Right leg is strong, hands to heart center, inhale. Find that length first, then moving into the twist. So you're gonna find the greatest benefit. A twist isn't about how far you can rotate over. It's how long can you get the spine. Deep breath in, exhale. Use the breath, inhale back to center, high lunge, and exhale, hands lower down to the mat. Find a downward facing dog. Full breath in, full breath out. Inhale, 2, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And towards the end of this, we're really gonna kick it up. So a few donkey kicks, which, if you're not familiar, think of kicking your own butt, which we kind of are in this series. You're gonna bend the knees, Press down through the palms. You look at the space right between your thumbs. Bend the knees, inhale. As you exhale, lift. Do 5 more. 5. Try to do that at the same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step the right foot forward, left foot forward. Inhale, extend the spine. And exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees in this forward fold. With bent knees, grab opposite elbows, drape forward. Full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Decompress the spine. And exhale, letting go. You're gonna interlace the hands at the small of your back. Keep this forward fold. So with your chest forward, you start to slow down your heartbeat as well. So we did a lot of activity. If your arms can't extend all the way, that's really okay to have a bend in the elbows. Feel the opening in your chest, most importantly. Start to lengthen your exhale so you have full control of your breath, which in turn can control your emotion and your mood. So anytime somebody tells you that they're angry because of you, don't believe it. Tell them, you've got breath. Release that bind, inhale to a long spine. Keep those knees bent, exhale, forward fold. So with those bent knees, roll your way all the way up, arms up overhead, reach up long. Take your hands to your low back, just a standing back bend. So for reverse, we did long forward hold there. Lift up tall through the chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together, heart opens, 3. Each inhale, you're breathing up the front body, exhale, lowering down the back. Inhale, exhale. Rise back up, inhale. So one more from here, open up the arms wide, lift the left arm up overhead, bend the elbow. And you can stay here or doing the full Gomukhasana. Take the right hand to the side, thumb down, reach back, grab the fingertips maybe. Feel good in the shoulders, the chest, and then just switch it. Right arm up. Again, you can just bend the elbow while it's here, or left thumb down. Just important to stretch, especially the chest muscles. We're doing a lot of push-up work, a lot of chest work. So opening up the front body once again. So help your posture too. Deep breath in, and exhale. Release that out. That wraps our Cardio 3 video in this Lengthen, Strengthen, and Lean Out series. My name is Sarah Kirikoni, Live Free Warrior. See you in another video in this series.